In today's class, we will solve NTSC SAT 2021 Mathematics from question 81 to 85 for English medium. We solved step-by-step solution with detailed explanation. So, of course, it will take some time. So, stay with us. Question number 81, the first question of mathematics. Two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. If 24 is subtracted from each of them, the resulting number will be in the ratio 2:3. The original numbers are, here we have to find original number. Here the two numbers are in the ratio. So first ratio is 4:5. So we can write this one is 4x divided by 5x. If 24 is subtracted from each of them, we have to subtract 24 minus 24 minus 24. Then the resulting number will be in the ratio 2:3. After subtracting, the ratio will become 2:3. This is the main part of the question. Now we will solve this question. Cross multiplication. 3 into this one, 2 into this one. So write 3 4x minus 24 is equal to 2 5x minus 24. Open this bracket with 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 into 24 is 72. 2 5s are 10x minus 24 2s are, multiplying 2 with 24 is 48. Take x to this side and to this side. It will become 12x minus 10x. This one is minus 72. It will become plus 72 minus 48. 12x minus 10x is 2x. 72 minus 48 is 24. Take 2 to that side. That is divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. X is equal to 12. Our original number is 4x and 5x. 4 into x is 12. Next is 5 into 12. 4 12s are or 12 4s are 48. 5 12s are or 12 5s are 60. The option is option A is correct. Let's go to next question. Question number 82. ABC is a right angle triangle such that angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to 16 centimeter and BC is equal to 32 centimeter. BD is perpendicular to AC. Then AD is to AC. We have to find AD is to AC. Here ABC is 90 degree. So it is shown in the figure 90 degree and BC is 32 centimeter. AB is 16 centimeter. First here we will find AC by Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is AC square, base square, that is BC square, and the height is AB square. BC is 32 centimeter, that is 32 square, and AB is 16. 16 square. 32 square is 1024 plus 16 square is 256. Sum of these two is 1280. Then this one is AC square and AC is equal to under root. The factor of 1280 is 256 into 5. 256 is the square of 16. So take it out and here remains AC is 16 root 5. Next we take the area of ABC. Area of ABC. So the formula for this is half into base into height. Half into base into height. First we write ABC, the area of ABC with the base AC. So half base is AC and height is BD. One more time we write the area of ABC, but the base will be changed here. The base is BC and height is AB. Half get cancelled. So we get AC. AC is 16 root 5 into BD is equal to BC. BC is 32 into AB is 16. We write here, we kept BD here only. Take 16 root 5 to that side. It will go denominator. It will go in denominator. That is BD is equal to 32 into 16 divided by 16 root 5. 16 get cancelled. BD is equal to 32 by root 5. Next we find AD. For that we take the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, D is here 90 degree. So first we write the hypotenuse, that is AB. AB square is equal to next two sides, that is AD square plus BD square. Take BD to that side, that is AB square minus BD square is equal to AD square. We are taking BD square to this side, it will become minus. We write once again, AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. AB square is 16 square minus BD is 32 by root 5. Put square. 16 square is 256 minus 32 square is 1024 divided by root 5 square is 5. 256 minus 1024 divided by 5. We direct multiply 5 to this one. 256 into 5, that is 1280 minus 1024 divided by 5. Subtract 1280 minus 1024, it is 256 divided by 5. AD square is 256 divided by 5. AD is equal to root 256 divided by 5. 256 is the square of 16 and divided by root 5 is as it is. So AD is 16 by root 5. We have to find AD is to AC. AD is 16 by root 5 and AC is 16 root 5. So we can write here AD divided by AC is equal to, AD is 16 by root 5 and AC is 16 root 5 divided by, we take 1 here, 16 by root 5 into 1 by 16 root 5. 16 cancel. 1 by root 5 is 1 by 5. that is 1:5. So option is D. Let's go to next question. If sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1, where A is acute angle, then the value of cos square A plus raised to 4A is. In this question we use the formula sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here the condition is sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Take sin square A to this side. Sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. See here in the formula, we take sin square A to this side. The formula will become cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So we write here cos square A. Sin A is cos square A. If we take sin square A, cos raised to 4A. Now we go to our question. Cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. We kept cos square A as it is, plus cos raised to 4A, that is sin square A. See our formula, sin square A cos square A is equal to 1. So cos square A sin square is equal to 1. The answer is B. Next question number 84. X and Y walk 24 km each. X walks faster than Y. Sum of their speed is 7 km per hour and the sum of the time taken by them to complete the walk in 24 hours. Speed of X is. So we have to find the speed of X. First here given X and Y walk 24 km. Distance travel is 24 km. X walks faster than Y. Sum of their speed is 7 km. So speed is not given. So let speed of X is X km per hour. Same wise the speed of Y is Y km per hour. Here is sum of their speed is 7 km. So speed of X is X and speed of Y is Y. The sum of these is 7. We resolve for Y. Y is equal to 7 minus X. X go here. We use this equation afterwards. The sum of time taken by them to complete the walk is 14 hours. The time of X, sum of time. So time of X plus time of Y is equal to 14 hours. The formula of speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Then T is equal to distance traveled by speed. We use this formula here. Time is equal to distance by speed of X plus distance by speed of Y is equal to 14. Distance is 24 km divided by speed of X is X and distance of Y is also 24 and the speed of Y is equal to 14. Divide by 24. 24 divided by X into 24 plus 24 divided by Y into 24 is equal to 14 divided by 24. 24 cancel. Here also 24 cancel. 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 7 by 12. 1 by x as it is plus 1 by y we written here 7 minus x. 7 minus x is equal to 7 by 12. This is the expression. Here we can solve this expression in two ways. First we can put the option here, and the second is by resolving these expressions. The first method is little bit easy. First we put 4 for x. 1 by 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 7 by 12. Cross multiplication. 3, 4, 3 4s are 12, 7 by 12. That is 7 by 12 is equal to 7 by 12. It is option A. We can solve this by solving this expression. We give two methods for this expression. Whichever you feel easy, you just follow that one. Take cross multiplication here. That is 7x plus x divided by x into 7x. X minus 7x is equal to 7 by 12. Plus x minus x cancels. 7 divided by x, x 7 minus x is equal to 7 by 12. 7 7 get cancelled both the side. Open this bracket with x. 1 by 7x minus x into x square 1 by 12. Take reciprocal of this. 7x minus x square is equal to 12. Arrange the terms. Minus x square minus plus 7x. 12 to take 12 to that side, that is minus 12 is equal to 0. X square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We solved this very easily. Take factors of 12, that is 4, 3. Take minus sign, that it will become minus 7. So x square minus 7 minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 4. Take minus 3 common, x minus 4. That is x minus 4, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4, x is equal to 3. So the maximum speed of x is 4. The right answer is 4. These are the two methods to solve this expression. First method is putting the options in the equation, and second one is by solving by quadratic equation. So whichever you feel easy, you just follow that one. Let's go to next question. 85. The cumulative frequency curve for a distribution is represented in the graph. The median for the data is. So here is more than ogive, here is less than ogive, here the intersection point. The intersection point of x coordinate is median and y coordinate is n by 2. So we have to find median. So the x coordinate of this point is 40. The right answer is 40. In this video we've solved 81 to 85. In next video we solve from 86 to 90. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share our channel. Thanks for watching.